Good morning. It's Friday. Going to work. 5:22. Inside the car, quiet, hard takeoff. This is the Fast Intentions carbon fiber 18-inch resonators and FI.ART test pipes up front. As you can tell, there's not much inside cabin noise. At idle, I have sound deadened the entire car with 2 layers and the doors and the roof, so it's fairly quiet right now. The only loud noises I get from the Fast Intentions pipe is when I'm on the freeway and I'm under load at about 60 to 70 miles per hour. There's a drone that kind of radiates throughout the car. Other than that, this is probably the finest exhaust system ever made.